Yo, what's up guys, welcome to CodingBot. This is another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use a web-based screen recording application instead of using a standalone application. For now, I think you have used screen recording applications of standalone PC installed applications such as OBS Studio, or sometimes it may be Snagit. Like this, these are standalone applications to be installed inside our computers. Without installing, we cannot use these screen recording applications. But in this video, this is the name of screenapp.io, or the screenapp web application to use web-based screen recordings. Let's start. Before going to the video, make sure to subscribe for CodingBot and turn on the bell icon to get more updates in the future. You can just go to your search engine and just type like screenapp.io. I will put the link on the description as well. Now you can go to this website. The website name is screenapp. The web URL is screenapp.io. In this home page or the landing page, you can read more features and more things about this web-based screen recording application, online screen recorder. So you can scroll down. This is 100% free, so you can see no registration, no payment required to start recordings, and instant recording is here, quick download for different formats. I think there are only small number of formats in the free tier, so you can read these features. You can know these features: unlimited recordings, editor is here, and the team space, and proctoring, and the plugin, and transcribe. These are the features provided by screenapp. Now let's see how to use this website by creating an account. Now you can click on this sign in button. If you already have an account, you can log in here by giving the email and the password. I think you don't have any account yet. Now you can click on this sign up button. You can see don't have an account. Here is the sign up button. Now you can click here and you can give your name and your email address, and you can provide a password here. And you can agree to the terms and conditions, and you can log into your account, or you can sign up to your account. In this case, I already have an account. I forgot to tell you there are some features to sign up with your Google account and with your Facebook account as well. In this case, I already have an account with my email address. Now I'm going to, I'm already logged in this browser by using my Gmail address. Now I'm going to use this sign in with Google option. It's loading. Now you can see I'm inside my account of screenapp. This is the dashboard, or this is the portal to use. So you can see so many features are there. Now I'm going to show you how to upgrade our account. Click on this upgrade. You can see the pricing plans that scale with your business. You can see the most suitable plan for you. Here is a free tier. You can see startup package, or the free tier is here. These are the options provided by the free package or the starter package. You can see screenapp webcam recording is already providing for free, and the recording minutes per video is maximum 1 hour, and the local savings 100, and cloud backups are 10. And you can see some small number of features are providing within this free tier. If you need to expand your facilities inside screenapp, you can go to another plan. There are 2-3 plans excluding the startup plan. You can see the growth plan is here, and the business plan, the enterprise plan. You can see a lot of features are available in here, including API integrations, such kind of advanced features. In this case, you can use this free tier to record your screen for this number of recordings. Now I'm going to go back again to this page or the dashboard. You can create a folder here, and you can create a team as well. Let me create a folder called CodingBot videos. Now I can create a new folder here. When I'm going to this folder, you can see it is empty. The default folder, there is another there is a one screen recorded video. by me. So this is the CodingBot videos folder. Now we can import videos or request recordings. Now I'm going to show you how to use this feature, how to use this screenapp to record a screen. Click on this new recording. In here you can see three options are here: screen and the webcam both, webcam only, and you can see the screen only is here. This is the option I'm going to use now. So you can see this the audio flow, where it is coming from. You can choose microphone audio, browser audio, no audio, or the system audio plus microphone audio. And this is the speaker features. You can choose options, and this is the microphone options you can choose. And if you need to start the screen recording automatically, you can put a tick on here, and after doing that you can click on this start recording button. Now you can add a title for your recording. I'm going to give the title as test 2, and you can provide a description if you need. Test 1 is here. So if you do not need to show this window, you can click this do not show this message again, or you can skip here simply. Now I'm going to click on this record. Then it will ask to the browser asks us to select these options. What he's going to record, the Chrome tab or the window or the entire screen. I'm selecting entire screen and click here. Now I can click on this share button here. Now you can see it is asking us to share browser audio or continue without audio. I'm selecting continue without audio. Now we can hide this small window here coming bottom of the screen. If you give in the start recording, it will record our screen. Now you can see it is recording our screen. Let's stay some seconds. 8 seconds, it's enough. Now we can click on this stop recording button. It is generating the video. You have to wait until it is uploaded into the cloud. Make sure to give the internet connection while you are recording your screen. You can see the video is uploading, successfully uploaded. You can see there's a progress bar in the left bottom of the screen. Wait until it is finishing. Now you can see our recording is ready. If we play this video, now you can see it is recording our screen. Now you can see the screen recording is playing like this. Now let's see how to what are the next features. You can move this video to another folder. You can transcribe this, or you can trim this by using the this website's editor, or else you can share this video, or you can delete this video as well from the cloud. If you need to download this video, you can click on this download option, and it is in the free tier. It is giving us the chance to download this WebM file for free. No any issue. You can see it is downloaded to our local PC, the downloading directory. Let's see what about this MP4. You can see we are converting your file. This might take a few minutes to appear in this page. You will receive a notification email when it is ready. Now let's see how we can add our an extension to our browser to use this feature simply, easily. Just go to your Google or your search engine and just type like your in this case I'm using Chrome, so I'm gonna add the extension to the Chrome. So I'm gonna go to the Chrome Web Store. Just go to Chrome Web Store, and in here type like screenapp.io and just press enter. Select here the extension option. This is the extension which you are going to add to our Chrome browser. You can see online screen recorder. Click on this and choose this option, add to Chrome. It is checking our browser and it is asking us to confirm it, add extension. It is added into the Chrome web browser. online screen record has been added to Chrome. Now you can use this feature by using this extension. Let me go to the Chrome extensions. By click on this extension, you can simply go to your screenapp.io dashboard or the screenapp dashboard. This is how we can use screenapp for your screen recordings based on cloud and based on a cloud software. I think this video was helpful to you. If yes, share this video to your batchmates as well. From now, you don't need to use standalone screen recording applications. Please make sure to subscribe down below for CodingBot, our channel. You can expect more videos in the future. You can turn on the bell icon as well. I will meet you soon in the next video. Bye guys.